it's Jill, and I want to share with you our beautiful kit called Baking It Magical with unicorns, rainbows, sparkles, sweet and savory recipes for you to learn and to have fun with your family and friends. So let me show you some of the fun things that are coming in your box. So first, you always get your info card, which tells you what you're baking, what you're decorating and educating. All of our decorating videos you can find on our online resources, which you can use this QR code right here or go to the link and you will find all the videos to make the neat recipes that we're doing today. And you can also find out all the dietary modifications to our recipes. Okay, let me show you. So with your recipes, you got a magical day raspberry cupcakes. These cupcakes are so good. You actually use frozen raspberries. You don't buy the fresh, you use the frozen. There's a reason for that, so that the cupcake recipe doesn't get all mushy and you can really taste the flavors of the raspberry. But the best part of that is you in your kit got a unicorn candy mold. You can't find these in regular stores. We found them and we wanted to put them in your kit. It's our first time doing a candy mold. Let us know if you love it, because we'll put more candy molds in upcoming boxes if you really love it. You just melt some white chocolate or some candy melts, spread it in, let it cool, pop them out, and then they go right on top of the cupcakes. They're so simple, but they will think that you took all this time and that you're a professional baker because you made these. So this recipe is really good. The next recipe is the most delicious banana cake you will ever have. Now you can make this recipe and just make it the banana cake only without the frosting on it, and it makes a great breakfast or snack. But if you wanna snazzy it up and make a rainbow with the frosting on top, you're just going to use some candies that you buy in the grocery store with some frosting. And also on here, I show you how you can make a big rainbow cake using a bunch of rainbow colors of candy and really making a showstopper if you want to do that. Now, one of the dinner recipes in here is called Unicorn Horns Pasta Bake. And using those swirly pasta that you get in the grocery store, they look like unicorn horns. How fun is that? So you can actually add this to your recipes for a special unicorn sparkle party, or just have it for dinner because it is so delicious. And it makes so much that you can have some for leftovers. And the great thing is you can use ground beef or ground turkey, or you could just not even have meat in it at all and just make it a pasta bake. So, so good. And in your baking kits, you got this gem cookie cutter to make your shortbread cookies. It's called Show Your Sparkle. And the fun thing is that you're going to see in there is that if you mix some sugar with some food color gel and mix it really well, it actually makes sprinkles that you would normally have to pay a lot of money in the store, but this is a fun way to make sprinkles, and you're gonna sprinkle those on before you bake the shortbread cookies. And don't forget, I forgot to let you know that in your kit are your cupcake liners for your raspberry cupcakes. Kind of has a raspberry color, really cool. And the last recipe is the best chicken tenders. You do not need to go to a chicken restaurant again or a fast food that has chicken tenders, because this recipe will become your new family favorite. And it's fun because you actually crush cereal and it actually makes a delicious dinner. Serve it with your pasta bake or with any type of vegetable or salad or fruit, and it is so, so good. As a fun thing, we put in some unicorn stickers for you and your violet high intensity color gel, which is going to help for decorating your sugar cookies and also your cupcakes. And our baking lesson today is actually how to use candy melts, because once you learn how to do it, it is so simple and you'll just be so surprised, and you can make them over and over and over again, which is fun. And we always include our shopping list. Make sure you see what you already have. A lot of the things that we put in our recipes, we actually make sure that you can buy them at the grocery store, and we're really budget friendly. We don't want you having to spend money and go out to a restaurant. We want the kids and the family to do it together and show how economical it is to actually make your own food, and it tastes delicious. So that is your baking. Oh, I forgot. You also get your piping bags if you want to use those to actually pipe on your frosting for your cupcakes. And if you're new to us, you actually got one of our kids' aprons in the box. So we're happy that you're wearing. Make sure you post pictures on our private Facebook page. And then if you ever post pictures with the kids wearing the aprons or doing the recipes, make sure you do @Join Kids Baking Club, because then we see it and then we applaud all the things that you're doing. So we hope you have fun with Baking It Magical. If you have any questions, just go to our Facebook page and ask questions, or just email me at jill@kidsbakingclub.com. We will see you later. Cannot wait to see the photos that you make of this amazing baking kit.